promoting a discount like 20% off with a code, here's how to show both the original price and the discounted price in your design in Marpipe. First, we'll drag in the regular price field from the left panel. This will be your original price, the one we're going to strike through. Now for the strike through effect, we're going to duplicate the original price layer. On the duplicate, we'll turn off the text fill and turn on the background fill instead. Because the text is in auto width mode, the width automatically matches the size of the price, which is exactly what we want. And now we'll adjust the height of that background to something thin like 2 or 3 pixels, so it becomes a clean horizontal line. We'll position it directly across the middle of the original price. Since it's still dynamically tied to the price field, the width will automatically adjust for every product. That gives you a responsive strike through. Next, let's add the sale price. We'll insert a new text layer, drag in the price field again. We'll double click to format it. And now open the field settings and click Add Modifier. To apply 20% off, we'll multiply the price by 0.8. That instantly calculates the discounted price for every product. And from there, make the sale price larger, darker, more prominent, something so it stands out against the crossed out original price. And now when you shuffle through products, both prices update automatically. You've got the original price, struck through, new discounted price, dynamically calculated, and everything scales across your catalog without manual updates. That's how you build clean, automated sale creative in Marpipe.